Mr. to please come on stage to
Hussain
deliver a
Agha,
speech.
who is the
Thank you.
Executive Director of Agha Steel Industries.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I believe you all have the program schedule in front of you guys, and I wasn't supposed to present right now, but I guess the winds have changed. This is a little joke for the wind people here. But anyways, today we are here to talk about wind and wind energy. All the images that you see over here, all the discussion that's been done is all above the ground. Just like in life, we talk about everything that's above the ground. Everything that's above the ground, our lives, what we're doing. But in the end of the day, sometimes we forget about what's below the ground. And below the ground, in any wind farm, is the foundation and is the building structures of the wind energy and the future of your projects. Today, Agha Steel Industries, alhamdulillah, we are one of the largest steel manufacturers in Pakistan, and we are supplying deformed graded steel bars to many of the wind projects that are happening today. A few projects just to name are the Hussain Agha General Project, where our contractor China East Harbour is there. Then the Jumpier Wind Power, which is by Hydro China, and the Jumpier Wind Energy, which is FFCEL. So we are strategic suppliers. How? We are supplying to our contractors. I'm sure many of you guys are here. Descon, maybe we've supplied to you guys. We add value to your project. And how do we add value to your project is that we ensure that you receive a quality product. I was just sitting earlier with the director of Metro Wind, Mr. Danish Iqbal, and he was stating a very interesting fact. He said that, listen, the projects that we are putting up, they've gone for German technology, there's GE, there's all these technologies. But in such projects, supply chain is very important, and timely deliveries of your goods on site and execution, this is very critical. A lot of times we oversee this, but there's a lot of value in this. And additionally, how do we add value to your contractors? For example, they require cut-to-length material. This is something that we specialize in, and in specialized quality grades that actually end up saving you around 20% in your steel consumption through strenuous R&D. And this is one of the reasons why today we are the leaders in supplying steel to many of your wind projects. I'd like to state something that's very important that I don't know if it's been mentioned earlier here today. But May 8th, 2016, May 8th, 2016, the world was never the same. The world was changed. We woke up, it was a Sunday. It was a different day than it was yesterday. And why do I say this? This was in Germany. In Germany, on May 8, 2016, hit a new renewable energy record. At 1 p.m., the people in Germany, the consumers, electrical consumers, were being paid 15.86 rupees per unit to consume electricity. Can we imagine a world where we are being paid to consume electricity? By 2050, Germany expects themselves to be a 100% renewable energy nation. Wow, this is brilliant. The renewable energy is definitely the future, and we need to understand this. We need to comprehend this. So what is Pakistan doing? What are we doing? Alhamdulillah, there's a summit today to discuss this, to discuss the future, discuss the way forward. But this is the way forward, and we are here not to discuss today, but we are here to discuss tomorrow and the future. One interesting fact that I would like to state about is in your wind energy projects is when you sign your contract with the government, let it be your tariff or your LOS, you are taking a 20-year outlook. You are having a tariff that is assigned on dollar terms for the next 20 years. You are insuring your project against one of the leading insurance companies, insurance agencies over here. But one thing that many of the directors of these respective projects overlook is the raw materials that are used in these respective projects. As per standards in building in Pakistan, it is mandated that you have to use ASTM grade 60, A615 grade. Unfortunately, the market today is polluted with ungraded materials, and it hurts me myself. It hurts me when I go out in the market and I see the type of quality of raw materials that are being used. Let us state that an unfortunate event occurs and God forbid something happens to the project. I've spoken to insurance surveyors myself, and they state that the first thing that they will go and they look at is the quality of the raw materials that are used underneath the ground. As I started with saying, we often look above the ground, but we forget what's underneath the ground. So God forbid a situation arises where standards are not followed. This, please understand, this is something that is overlooked by many of the directors. It's overlooked by many of the organizations. Sometimes they just want to stamp paper that yes, it's passed, it's approved. But when the insurance company is there, when they go for the surveys, this is something of a serious concern when majority of the steel in Pakistan is heavily polluted. You know, the Germany, I've shared the subject on Germany, and Germany is the future. Let us imagine a world where we are being paid to use energy. Let us imagine a world where energy is a commodity. Let us imagine a world where energy is equivalent to that of a telephone tariff. This will happen, whether we like it or not. I'd like to end my short, I hope but sweet statement with a quote from Hazrat Imam Ali Abu Talib. The world cannot defeat you until you accept the defeat. As Pakistanis, let us not accept the defeat, and let us accept the future of renewable energy, and let us believe in a brighter future. And this is why the summit is here, and I hope we have more summits like this to raise awareness on renewable energy, specifically wind power. I highly appreciate the time you all have given me, and I wish you all the best because you are the future of our country who's building it. God bless you all. Thank you.